Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sabrina Nurul Mufida. I'm a postgraduate student in physics education at the Indonesian University of Education. In this opportunity, I will present the result of our research about identification of physics problem-solving skill on senior high school student as an evaluation of learning during COVID-19 pandemic in Tuban. First, about introduction. One of the skill of 21st century skill is problem-solving skill. In the line with this, high school's curriculum that also requires that basic learning be oriented toward 20th century learning. In learning basic problem-solving skill are needed because physics is a science that is widely applied in daily life. Talking about physics problem-solving skill, in the process of using problem-solving skills, students are in state of old knowledge and with new knowledge that student can finally make decision to answer solution. So that when student can solve physics problem means they can put their cognitive knowledge well. Physics problem-solving skills are very important and needed by senior high school students. The goal of good physics learning is followed by trying 20th century skill as well, one of the basic problem-solving skill. The government states that implementing distance learning activities online at all levels of education about learning during COVID-19 pandemic. The current state has a big impact on the process of the teaching and learning activities, which in other demands that the goal of physics learning be still achieved well. Work and energy topics are a part of the physics that senior high school students learn. Many physical phenomena are related to daily life. Students can analyze the concept of work and energy, relationship about work and energy change, the law of conservation of energy, as well as its application in daily life. The indicators of students are said to have basic problem-solving skill are 1. First, use description of physics information. Second, use a physics approach. Third, using a specific application of physics. Fourth, using mathematical procedure. And the last, progression of meaning and logical conclusion or logical progression. Physics learning during the COVID-19 pandemic is different from the face-to-face normal learning, so it can affect the achievement of physics learning goals in terms of training and improving physics problem-solving skill of high school students. Research aims to show the result of evaluation and identification of the achievement of basic problem-solving skill in senior high school students during learning in the COVID-19 pandemic. Research method. The quantitative research method used with pre-experiment with one case study. The research population is 10th grade students in Tuban district of East Java, Indonesia. The research subject were determined by using the cluster sampling technique. The total sample is 246 senior high school students who have received topic about work and energy. This research was conducted at 3 schools in different locations, namely in the city or group A, the middle or group B, and the suburb or group C of Tuban district, East Java, Indonesia. The instrument used are 1. 7 first, about 7 is a question of work and energy topics with real problem approach in daily life. Second, the questionnaire consists of 12 questions given to the teacher. The result of the research with analysis by using descriptive quantitative. First, about identification of basic problem solving skill. For each indicator using percentage. Then categorized as very high, moderate, low, and very low. The average comparison of basic problem solving skill from all 3 schools use a statistical test of Kruskal-Wallis. Second, teacher questionnaire. The analysis technique of teacher questionnaire is made in percentage from based on the teacher choosing never, rarely, often, or always from each questionnaire statement and summarized descriptively. Results and discussion. First, talk about the P6 problem solving skill test result of senior high school student and Kruskal-Wallis statistical test. We can see that the table 2 student P6 problem solving skill results finding from overall of the assessment of the P6 problem solving skill based on indicator. First, use of description is 55%. Second, P6 approach is 39%. Third, specific application of P6 is 47%. Fourth, mathematical procedure are 38%. And the last, logical progression is 39%. Overall, P6 problem-solving skill of high school student in Tuban district of East Java, Indonesia are moderate category. It can be said that learning during the COVID-19 pandemic has not been maximal in supporting and practicing P6 problem-solving skill. P6 learning goals have not been achieved to the maximum. In this regard, it is necessary to train P6 problem skill based on the doctor step. About Kruskal-Wallis, the result in the table 3 state that the three average of the three schools differed significantly with ASIN 0.02 less than 0.05. And the post hoc in the shown in table 4, we can see the average group B and group C and group B and group B and group A are different significant, while the average about group A and group C is no significant difference. The factor that lead to finding when reviewed from the implementation of distance basic learning during the COVID-19 pandemic were shown from the result of the response questionnaire given to P6 teacher in 3 schools. Most teachers have trained basic problem solving skill, but the fact in the based on the table 1, P6 problem skill on the topics of work and energy in high school student in category of moderate and low, in the line with the result of teacher response who have never done virtual lab work and made modules. These are factors that do not support basic problem solving skill. In addition, other factors can be viewed from the description of the content written by teacher during distance learning activities as follows. First, less varied learning methods. Teachers always use conventional methods. Second, students are less active in learning. Third, difficulty in conditioning students during meeting activities to WhatsApp, Zoom, Google Meet, school application, so that learning is not optimal. So, our alternative solution about during distance learning is a model, because a model can integrate sound, image, animation, graphic, and video, more motivating learners, can perform virtual practicum activities, and contain complete student activities. A model has self-instructional and user-friendly characteristics that can guide learners to learn independently and flexibly. A model with inquiry approach requires students to have high-order thinking in providing solutions to problems according to the knowledge they get from themselves. In the learning inquiry itself, students read their concept through scientific investigation, solving problem, evaluating, and communicating the result of knowledge of type. All of this activity can support P6 problem-solving skill. So an alternative solution for the evaluation and identification of basic problem-solving skill of senior high school student on the topic of work and energy during P6 learning in pandemic COVID-19 is to develop a module by integrating the inquiry approach and indicator of basic problem-solving skill. And last, about conclusion, the evaluation and identification of achievement of basic problem-solving skill based on the indicator of are found as follows. First, useful descriptions is 55%. Second, P6 approach is 39%. Third, specific application of basic is 47%. Fourth, mathematical procedure is 38%. And the last, logical progression is 39%. In general, the student P6 problem solving skill is classified as moderate. The Kruskal Wallis test showed that the mean of three schools is different significantly. The fact of finding suggests that students still have difficulty connecting concept, mathematical procedure, and logical, coherent, and consistent reason. During distant physics learning, teachers never and rarely experiment with virtual labs, develop a module, and use varied and innovative methods. It's necessary to develop a module by integrating the inquiry approach to train physics problem-solving skill. And recommendation for the future research can identify the physics problem-solving skill of high school students on different physics topics. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.